Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on order of operations. When simplifying algebraic expressions, there are accepted rules we need to follow with respect to the four operations. And the four operations we're talking about are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and any brackets that are involved. So sometimes we only have the four operations, but sometimes we have brackets included. Mathematicians have agreed that the following rules must be used. Number one, work out the calculations within the brackets if any exist. Work out any division and multiplication from left to right. Work out any addition and subtraction from left to right. The rules are easily remembered by using the acronym BODMAS. So brackets are calculated first. Anything inside the brackets we calculate first. The word of, that O is put there just to give us the word. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Let's look at some examples. 3 plus 2 times 4. The rule says we do the multiplication first. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 12 divided by 4 minus 2. The rule says we do that part first. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Example 3. 20 minus 8 divided by 2. We do that part first, which gives us 20 minus 4, and that's 16. Example 4, 40 divided by 10, take away 2. We do that part first. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Example 5, 4 times 3 plus 2 inside the brackets. The rule says we have to do whatever's inside the brackets first. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 5s are 20. Example 6. 20 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2. So we do that, then we do that. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So that's what we have. 20 take away 2 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. And finally we have this one. Because we have to do what's in the brackets first, we have to do those two. So we put the 30 and the takeaway sign there. 10 plus 2 is 12. 14 take away 3 is 11. And there's the times 4. Now we have to do the multiplication next. So 11 4s are 44. So we have 30, take away 12, that gives us 18. 18 plus 44 is 62. So this video has given us some rules, and we have named them order of operations. So when we're given the four operations plus some brackets, we have seen the correct order. Of course, the mathematicians have agreed on the correct order, and if we follow those rules, we'll always get the correct answer.